So this is just a walk around video of my 2024 Chevy Silverado TrailBoss. Everything on it is pretty much stock other than the wheel flares. As you can see, they're kind of the ZR2 replicas through GM's website. I put 1.5-inch wheel spacers on it just because I felt like with the wheel flares, the wheels felt a little too recessed into the wheel wells. I put on the Peragon Elite Pro, or I don't know, the top of the line model Peragon bed cover. It rocks, dude. It's literally the best cover ever. Like, I dirt bike ride a lot, so it comes in and out. Here's me explaining that I put in a 1-inch leveling kit on it. I seen the 1.5, I seen the 2-inch. Didn't see a lot of 1-inch, so kind of did it myself. And it just gave it the little bit more of a level look. I wouldn't say it's 100% level. I'd say more like 90% level, which that's the look I was going for. I installed the Rough Country Power Lift floorboards. I left them out for you guys on this side just so you could see how they look out exposed with the doors closed. I blacked out all the emblems all over the car. As you can see, the DURAMAX ones I still need to do, but the Z70 ones I did blacked out. This is just me explaining how the door operates with the wheel steps. And oh, right here, I deleted the LT when I put the blacked out Silverado. It came with the black LT badge. I took that off and I put a TrailBoss one in red. Just kind of stand out, make it look a little different. Black silicone license plate cover. Put some of my own bolts. Never really saw a video with my exact setup, so let me know what you guys think, and here you go.